and black and white color box. So 91. The nipa be wukrum here. Mbesu anadwe 11:30 to 12. After the noise, be wukrum here.
So these are the monkeys at the Fiema Boaben Monkey Sanctuary. Well. So let me welcome you once again to my official YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always having time over here with me on my channel. Yes, trying to discover the beautiful places across the country and on the African continent, and also to discover the people with special talent, and also having time with entrepreneurs across the country. Yes, and this time round, currently inside the Bono East region at the Boaben-Fiema Monkey Wildlife Sanctuary, and the location I find myself currently is their cemetery. Yes, you heard me right. That's the monkey cemetery. Yes, these monkeys at the Boaben-Fiema Monkey Wildlife Sanctuary are treated as human beings. You'll be surprised to know that whenever a monkey dies over here, the monkey is actually buried just as a human being is buried over here at the Bono East region. Yes, so we currently inside the forest, touring the whole forest, also to see the kinds of monkeys, the mono monkeys and all types that they do have over here inside the Boaben-Fiema Monkey Wildlife Sanctuary. So the tour guide actually took time to take us through why and how they were able to get this cemetery, as you can see on your screen right now. And you see that's also another type of the monkeys over there, the black and white one you see now on the tree over there. Yes, according to what we heard, we learned they don't actually like human beings and all that. So when you're getting closer, they would want to hide themselves over there in the forest. Okay, so now let's try to let's have time to listen to the history behind it and why and how they were able to get this cemetery. And don't forget, it's not only the monkeys that are being buried over here. According to what we were told and what you're going to listen to, there are some people, about 2 people who were also buried over here, and there is a reason behind that. We should actually get to know and find out about that. Please, if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to follow this particular page, and if you're also watching from YouTube, the only thing to do is to subscribe, and then you turn on the notification bell so that you actually get subsequent captivating videos over here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for having time over here with me. So let's listen to what actually caused them to have this cemetery over here for the monkeys.
Black and white, they can say we are one son, I have one son. You mean your phone? You want a bank on a moon time pennifer. You want me a good say. I'm more marketing getting a money at the paying for money. You're very free. But never I like to see a home some more than one can move your thinking.
But your almost are nice to say.
Among Sunday at 5, and as you said, and I was there.
To wait me, I communicate more than her.
and I'm going to be a thing of money. Say, I want to Baba, so I want to move the Yamama one. Now, say, Baba, so I want to about your baboon virgin. Mammy, if you want to was 120, only by my another. One over that, and a different. But since the Wuyan said, me to be, and soon sorry, and soon I'm ya wan free ho na are ti say konfo no ya konfo wasi kokwampon ne nem a osie mo ho na ya wan wosisie na black and white no se ni pe be wukuro ya mbesu anadwo 11:30 to 12 after the noise no obi be wukuro he na say ade ehu ebesi e wukuro ni aye tasi pa.
And apart from nipa ewu na de ehu ne de asi bi ne day
ana sometimes no say you know mo depend wura no nti say person a mo timi su a say nsuo nto musu no no din pa musu ha ya bete ana ye musu no mo anu su a bi musu wo adasa dia musu be su to musu ni sa
pacho omusu ene se omumpe nipa no ana se nipa ye omi bi be atwam tina omunta ama nipa
like you know say omuni nipa bi ne tina omumpe nipa
na chare na okay
pacho omuna musu omo si de na wo
no enye de na wodi wu ya no so wo 2023 na wo September na say na efua na ya twere September 8 na ya tane ye nipa enu de nipa ye ga ye afo ni bia na si ha black and white color box so 91 na so 81 sa ana ba bia mudina so masie bi no mudi de chi na afo na hay old cemetery new cemetery ele kan se bi to Fiema ye si bi Boaben and Fiema ana do bia yan koto pala na se ye ma ye wo mo pan ye so we ma hogani haban no black and white no mo we ma hogani ura no ana so ko so mo we isuo bi e hogani ho ba na mo we na mo aka
Yes, so isn't it so surprising to see that these monkeys are treated the same way as humans are being treated? Yes, it's so surprising, and I'm sure you've actually learned a lot. In fact, there are a lot to learn, there are a lot to discover, and there are a lot to actually get to know over here on the African continent. Yes, and so still in the Bono East region, discovering and touring across the region to discover the beautiful places and the things that make this particular region unique. Yes, and so if you want to be watching videos like this, please click on the subscribe button and then you turn on the notification bell so that whenever there is a video over here, you can also be part of the first people to actually have a watch. In fact, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to have you over here on my channel. If this happens to be the first time that you are visiting my channel, welcome and have a beautiful stay over here. In fact, there are a lot of videos, a lot of discovery videos over here. You can watch a lot of them and then you are actually going to enjoy them. And there are a lot also coming your way on my channel over here. A lot of videos, we're still working on them. And then we're still touring the country and then also on the African continent. If you're outside Ghana watching, please do well to share this particular video and then also you also subscribe and be part of us. And then if you're also in Ghana watching this particular video, all I say is thank you so much. Continue to share and be part of the first people to also enjoy my videos over here. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much. This is where we bring to an end this particular episode of the cemetery at the Boaben-Fiema Monkey Wildlife Sanctuary inside the Bono East region. Actually, there are a lot of videos over here in the forest, yes, that will be uploaded on the channel, so don't ever miss any of these videos. The only thing to do is to be a subscriber, and that's all. Thank you so much and do have a wonderful day.